I'm really excited to show you Bito's new customizable window and expandable window. So if you think about normally your Bito window is sitting here in the side panel, you can have it here on the right, you can have it here on the left, everyone has their own preference. But we've heard from a lot of folks that they really want to be able to customize that in much richer ways. So we're excited to launch that. We've added two new buttons here. This one has open in an editor tab, so it'll open it in your main code window. And this one will actually open it as a standalone window. So if I just click this here, open an editor tab, it will actually open Bito right here. And any of the actions you do will then show, in this window. If you want, you can also open it as a standalone window. So here now, it's now a standalone window, and you can customize the size any which way you want. So if you wanted to, shrink the size of your IDE, or you have a really big screen and you want to show it, you can kind of do all of that now, and you've got a lot more screen real estate to play with. So it's pretty exciting. And then you can also pop it back here. So if you want to open it into the editor tab, it'll take it now back to the editor tab. To change the default view that you have for your Bito IDE extension, let me show you kind of quickly how to do that. You can go down here to settings, go down to settings here. You can then click on under extensions, you can click on your Bito extension, and we've added a new setting here, which is open the extended window. So you can decide if you want to open Bito in a side panel view, in a separate tab, or in a new window. Great, hope you enjoy. It works similarly on JetBrains.